Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about leads for commercial cleaning businesses. So we'll talk about the best lead sources from free leads to buying leads to the best leads that make the most money. So first off, free leads for your commercial cleaning business. You want to make sure you're on as many directories as possible. Most of these are free, so make sure you fill them out. You have pictures before and after as much as you can with all the different free ones. I mean, you have all the different groups or LinkedIn or Facebook, Angie, Home Advisor, Yelp. Most of these directories are free, and then they have an upgrade or premium option you can look into. But being on as many of these as possible can bring in free leads. Even the free option is good for large or small companies. Also, make sure you're on Google Maps so you can collect those reviews and get some free leads by popping up on the map. Social media, you don't have to constantly be on there. Just make sure it exists. You have some pictures, you have something going on, maybe one post a month, one post a week, whatever you can handle to just get some free publicity and some free business. Also, referrals. This is the easiest one that a lot of commercial cleaning companies miss. Just ask for referrals from past customers, from customers that things have gone well. You get testimonials, you get reviews, you get referrals. It just builds and builds. And of course, partnerships. Any company where you can benefit them and they can benefit you. Sending referrals back and forth. Easy way to get plenty of free leads for your commercial cleaning company. So next one, buying leads from lead selling companies. So this has mixed reviews. We'll talk about pros and cons. So buying leads for commercial cleaning services, they are low budget friendly. You pay the same cost per lead and you have guaranteed leads. So this is, if you want to throw $200 at it and just see what happens, this is the option for that. The cons with it though, the lead quality is usually low, so you kind of have to sift through the good and the bad, just knowing some of the leads are going to be junk. That's just the way it is. The leads aren't pre-qualified, so they have no idea who you are. They didn't go to your website. They didn't call you. It's the other way around. Usually you're contacting them, or it's a warm transfer, the phone call, something like that. They didn't see your company, your website. They don't know your name. You're having to contact them, so they're not really that warm of leads. They're looking for commercial cleaning, and then they were sent out to one or multiple companies to get quotes. A lot of these companies too, they have long-term contracts. Would not recommend that if you're stuck in it for a year and you get a year of bad leads. That's not good to do the long-term contracts. Also, some of these companies sell leads to multiple companies. So when you call them, you're one of 10 commercial cleaning companies calling them. So they typically go with whoever has the lowest cost. And you pay the same cost per lead forever. So if they charge you $50 per lead, that's just how much it costs. There's no optimizing it, or running a special, or working on it. You just pay whatever the cost per lead is. And then when the leads come in, you usually have to lower your prices to get jobs, because people that get multiple quotes will typically go with the lowest price, which is not what you want to do long term for your business. So the best leads we've found for commercial cleaning companies are from Google search ads. So we'll talk about the pros and cons of that. The pros, the lead quality is much higher. They see you at the top on google.com when they search for commercial cleaning services. So these leads are pre-qualified. They called you. They saw you at the top of Google. They clicked on your ad. They read through your website, and they either called you or they filled out the form. So when you contact them, they're expecting your call. Or when they called you, they know who they're talking to. They called you directly. They want to talk to you. It's not the other way around. They don't know who you are, and you have to pitch them, and typically on price. It's also short-term contracts. So when you're working with an agency, make sure it's a short-term contract. With Google, there's technically not a contract. You just pay per click, and as long as you put money in there, you're showing at the top of Google for your ads. They're also exclusive leads for your commercial cleaning company. They're direct to you. You don't share them with anyone else. You can get the leads for a lower cost over time and get more referrals. So if you're finding this content useful, go ahead and like and subscribe to get more great content like this. Or if you decided you don't really want to learn how to do this yourself anymore, click on the description link below. We'll run everything for you. We'll even do a free audit, free consultation, so you can see exactly what we would do if we took over management of your account. That way you can focus on running your business rather than learning how to run ads all day. The reason is you can keep testing new ads, new keywords, new promos, landing pages, adjust your website. You're constantly tweaking the ads, or at least your ad agency or whoever you hired is, to make sure you keep getting your cost per lead lower and lower and get more leads and more return on investment from your ads. And the reason they perform so well, you can choose your keywords or block keywords. So of course, you put in keywords you want to show for, like commercial cleaning services, or you can add additional ones, office cleaning services, or restaurant cleaning services, or janitorial services. Or if there's particular ones you don't want to show for, you don't provide that specific service, or you don't like the leads, or the jobs aren't worth the money, you can block the keywords to make sure your ads do not show for specific keywords. So this is huge to not have any wasted budget. All the other lead sources, they're going to show you for a lot of different types of leads, and a lot of them might not be the type of cleaning services that you provide. Or maybe you don't provide home cleaning services, but you keep getting those leads over and over. With Google, you're able to block that keyword so you don't show up for any home or residential cleaning if you don't provide that. So some of the cons for this, it does take a larger budget to get started. It's not one you could throw in $100 or $200 and see what happens. You're going to have to run it long term to optimize it over time. So you do need a larger budget. It's very complicated to run yourself, so you're going to need to dedicate a lot of time, or hire a person inside your company, or hire an ad agency for commercial cleaning leads. It's up to you, whatever fits your budget, but it's not easy. It takes a lot of time and a lot of learning. But it does get better over time, and actually put that in as a con because you have to give it time. It's not going to get you 100 leads in one day. You'd want to test it for a couple of months, ideally, to test different keywords, test different ads, and then it gets better and better over time. So you have to be patient, and you have to have a long-term budget to put in. Google Ads isn't, test it for a week and see what happens. You'd want to test it for at least a month, ideally 2 or 3, see what keywords work and what don't. The prices vary depending on the area because Google search ads are a bidding system. So the more people in your area that are trying to show for specific keywords, the higher the price will be. It does need a website or a landing page. So if you're a small company without a website, or it's not a good website, you'll want to have that redesigned or have a landing page, which is just another word for a one-page website where the ads go to. So you have to take care of that. But long term, we have found this provides the best leads for commercial cleaning services for our clients that we manage. So we'd highly recommend these. Either you do them yourself or you can talk to us. The description and the link below, you can talk to us. We do a free account audit if you're trying to run your own Google ads or you want to switch providers to get a better ROI, or just post any questions in the comments below. There's also some confusion on the Google Guaranteed Leads, also called Local Services ads. That's a different format. It shows up at the top. It doesn't go to your website. It just has an option to message or to call. It's that little button they'll start dialing. So these have very mixed reviews. Some of them are good leads, some of them are not. It's just kind of price shoppers or people that they're not looking for the right service, or there are people looking for a job, and you can waste money on that. So the Google Guaranteed Leads, it is worth testing, but we found Google search ads are the best option by far. And if you have a larger budget, you can test a little bit with the Google Guaranteed to just see if you get anything back from that. There's not much to optimize. It's just a listing, so you really just turn it on or off. There's only a few options you could change in there, rather than Google search gives you a lot more options. So if you have any questions, just post them below, or you can visit our website if you want a free audit or more information about just how to more effectively run Google search ads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.